everybody, Mr. M here, B's double arrow. Guys, I'm still getting emails from certain individuals and they're saying the software is not working. Okay, in my opinion, the guys are sending me mails. With all due respect, you guys must be doing something wrong. Okay, you definitely must be doing something wrong because let me just show you here. Um, we currently in a live trade, as you can see. Okay, we're up 210 pips as we speak. Okay, it's a live trade. If you look here, top left corner is live, not a demo, is live. All right. Here we currently we're running 3 trades. All right, 1, 2, 3 positions. All 3 positions currently up over 60 pips, as you can see. Total 208 pips. All right. Date today is 11th of the 12th, 2019. So there's nothing to hide, guys. As you can see, the date at the bottom there. It's a live trade. Okay. And guys, it's very simple. I don't know why you guys must make it so difficult. Okay, trading is not difficult. It's very simple. If you have a set of rules, you follow it. I mean, what else is there to it? Okay, like I explained to you guys. All right, all we're looking for with the beast double arrow is a big arrow, a small arrow, and then we take a position. Okay, whether short or long. Okay, we take a position. All right, and our stop loss goes right above the big arrow. As you can see here, my stop is right above the big arrow. Okay, so and that is all that is that is all that you need to do, guys. Okay, there's nothing difficult about it. It's not rocket science. That's the rules of the beast double arrow. Okay, and guys, let me just stress one thing. If you think you're going to buy the software and become a millionaire overnight, it's not going to happen. Okay, I can tell you straight, it is not going to happen. Okay, get that thought out of your mind. Okay, if you follow the rules as I give it to you, okay, I can tell you now, you won't go wrong. Okay, like I said, the market can do what it wants to do. Okay, the market is the leader and we are the followers. Us traders are the followers. Okay, so basically, once your rules is met, you leave your trade, you walk away. Okay, it's either gonna do one or two things, guys. One with any trading strategy, it's either gonna do one or two things. It's either gonna hit your stop loss, okay, or it's gonna hit your take profit. Can do one of those two things. Okay, um, but yeah, I just wanted to make this short video to prove to you guys that this software, the beast double arrow, is indeed a beast. Okay, up to 106 pips now. Okay, as you can see, it's moving live. All right, so guys, if you want more information, leave a comment below, pop me a mail. um, we can have a discussion. Okay, but like I say, I can't understand why the guys are saying it's not working. You must be doing something wrong, guys. I mean, if you look at here, okay, there was a trade there. Okay, there was a trade there, there was a trade there. Okay, and even here was a trade here. You just need to follow the arrows, guys. I mean, if you look at this trade here, okay, when was this? This was the 5th. Yeah, the 5th of the 12th. You took your trade most probably here, bottom out there, 86 pips. Okay, here's another one going up, pull back, little arrow, get in there. What is that? 67 pips. Okay, and it's as simple as that. Okay, it's not rocket science, guys. Not rocket science. Okay, if you can follow a simple trading rule. Okay, wait for the big arrow. Okay, when you get a little arrow next in line with the big arrow, okay, yeah, in line with the big arrow, you take your trade. Okay, you take your trade and you put your stop loss. In this case, you put it above the big arrow. Okay, little arrow, and there's the big arrow. So you put your stop loss there and you leave your trade. You're out. Okay, like I said, one or two things can hit your stop loss, can hit your take profit. Okay, so I just wanted to make this short video just to show you guys, indeed, I don't see any problems. And yes, you're not going to win every single trade with the beast double arrow. Okay, it's not 100% winning system. Okay, guys, there's no such thing as 100% winning trading system. Okay, so if you hear that, run a mile, guys, run a mile. Okay, but what I can tell you now, this software have got over 80% win ratio. Okay, over 80% win ratio. Okay, provided you follow the rules. Okay, provided you follow the rules. And the time I'll get out of this trade, okay, some people use it differently, but for me myself, if I get a big arrow here, okay, a big arrow here, or I get a little yellow arrow, okay, one of the two I'll get out. Or if I met my target pips for the day, okay, some people go for 20 pips, some people go for 30 pips, some people go for 50 pips. It's entirely up to you. Okay, if you feel you reach your target for the day, you get out, you close your trade. Okay, why you still want to let it run, if you made your target pips for the day? Okay, so guys, again, if you want more info, leave a comment below, pop me a mail, I'll be glad to answer you. And then if you want to have a further discussion, yes, I'm open to that, and then we can take it from there. But any case, this is me signing out, Mr. M Beast Double Arrow. So I'll catch you guys later. Ciao for now.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's